All right, Joseph, what are we doing here? What do we got?
We're going to install the PureView fixture products in the cooler cases. This is a 4-door opening that we have here. Just want to make sure I have all my fixtures here ready. They all look in good condition, ready for install. The tape, backing, all of that's ready for install. And wires are go ahead and pulled through at the bottom end there, ready to go through the door opening. So once we have all the fixtures lined up and ready, I'm just going to set them aside and go to the cooler case and locate the power switch to turn the lights off. Typically it's on the right or left side of the door frame. In this situation it's on the right side. Let's go ahead and turn this switch off, shutting all the power. Now in this application we are not replacing the power supply, so I'm going to show you how to replace just the fixtures themselves. Once that's finished, we're going to open up the bottom of the door frames using a small tip flathead screwdriver. In doing so, we're going to put the screwdriver on this face of the mullion and pull up. And only pulling the mullion strip up halfway. And so after that application is done, we only do it on the left side of the frame. So that's done. Left side of the frame.
Attention Love's customers. Thank you for helping us keep America moving. Please join us in practicing proper hand washing and social distancing.
Once the zip strips pulled up, we're going to go ahead and pull the fixtures off. The way we do that is getting our drill gun with a right angle head driver. So these fixtures have a Phillips head, screw head on them. That may change on some applications. So I'm going to go ahead and place this and get this ready to remove the screws.
Where are the screws located?
So come over here on
One on the bottom?
So screws are located at the top and bottom of the product. In this application, this fixture has a plastic covering on the bottom, so let's go ahead and remove that.
Attention Love's team members. It is now time for a courtesy check and general cleaning procedures.
Removing the plastic bottom coverings. And we're going to take our drill. Move that screw.
So what's keeping the fixture in place now?
So the fixture should come off the track and off the clips. Go ahead and simply cut the wires off the fixture at the bottom.
And then do that to all the fixtures?
And then repeat the step throughout all the doors.